Hello friends, welcome to Adobe XD video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials, we understood what is Adobe XD and what is it used for, how to create and view XD documents, Adobe XD user interface overview, how to create and manage artboards in Adobe XD, how to work with line tool, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, pen tool, text tool, how to work with images, how to stack objects, how to align objects, Adobe XD Boolean operations. In this video we understand how to work with repeat grid and ungroup grid options. Let's go to Adobe XD. Repeat grid option allows us to repeat the selected object or objects horizontally as well as vertically, guys. For example, I select the rectangle tool and draw a square box. Okay. If I want to repeat this horizontally, vertically, then all I need to do is click on repeat grid option and then we get the handles. So this handle allows you to repeat the selected object horizontally. Okay, this bottom handle allows you to repeat the selected object vertically, guys, right? And not only that, you can increase the distance between these repeated objects horizontally as well as vertically, guys, right? So that is how you will use the repeat grid option. If you want to ungroup, all you need to do is ungroup grid. Click on this ungroup grid, then you will get the individual elements, guys. You will get these individual elements. You can change the color individually if you want. See, I'm setting green, I'm setting here different colors. I'm setting to these rectangle boxes, right? So not only a single object, you can repeat multiple objects. Like for example, I draw a rectangle box, okay, and then here I'm going to draw a small circle shape, okay, and below that maybe we have some text here. Let's say, okay, dummy text, dummy, dummy text. I'm just putting some text over here, okay, and let's place it here. And below that maybe I have some paragraph of content, let's say here. Okay, I'll just type the content randomly. I'm putting some content, okay, so we are just creating this content over here. And then maybe we have a button, maybe a read more button or something, and let's increase the rounded corners here. Okay, so we have this small structure. We want to repeat this horizontally or maybe vertically or both. Then all we need to do is press Ctrl Z to group, okay, make a group of this and then click on repeat grid. Once you do that, you can repeat that horizontally. If you want, you can repeat vertically also. And as I told, you can definitely increase the distance between these repeating objects horizontally as well as vertically. Just move the mouse cursor and hold down the left mouse button and drag, guys. So you can see that we are able to repeat the selected group horizontally and vertically. It's a very useful option, guys. If you want to individually control, like for example, if you select one of the circle, let's say, okay, I just double clicked and selected the circle and I try to change the color like red. See, all the circles are filled with the red color. What if you want to have individual color? Let's say this one red, this one green, this one blue. Then of course you have to ungroup this grid. So for that, just click on ungroup grid, and then if you select the circle just by double clicking here, I can say red and then double click and select the circle. I say here green and then select this one, just double click, select this and then change it to blue color, like that, guys. Okay, so this is a very useful option, repeat grid and ungroup grid. Try this yourself, experiment. You can create awesome layouts. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.